Hello, welcome to Geometric Virtual Learning. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about solving linear equation using the balancing method. The balancing method means whatever you do to the left-hand side of the equation, you do the same to the right-hand side. So using the balancing method, we get rid of all the numbers around the letter, but the number next to the letter is the last thing to get rid of. So we're going to get rid of minus 5 before we get rid of the 2 that's multiplying t. So let's look at how this is done. First, add 5 to both sides because balancing method, you are reversing it. So to get rid of negative 5 is to add 5 to both sides. And when you do that, negative 5 plus 5 becomes 0. So on the left hand side, you have only 2t. 13 plus 5 is 18. So the next stage is to get rid of 2. 2t means 2 times t, or t times 2. So times by 2, if you want to reverse it, it means divide by 2. And remember, balancing method, whatever you do to one side, do the same to both sides. So we divide both sides by 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we cross that out, and t is equal to 18 over 2, which simplifies as 9. So t is equal to 9. Let's check the second one. We need to get rid of plus 10 first, so we subtract 10 from both sides. Plus 10 minus 10, that will cancel out. So you have only 40 on this side. But remember, 2 minus 10 is 8. You've got to be very careful with your sums. 2 minus 10 is 8. 4 times 2 actually means t times 4. So to reverse times by 4, we divide both sides by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we cross that out. So t is equal to negative 8 over 4. And t is equal to negative 2. You can try putting back the values in to check if you are right. For example, if t is 9, 2 times 9 is 18. 18 minus 5 is 13. And that was one way of checking that you are right. Now pause number 3 and see if you can do it yourself. I hope you've done it. So we need to get rid of negative 5 first. Reversing it, or the balancing method, is to add 5 to both sides. So minus 5 plus 5 is 0, so you have only 3t on this side. And 14 plus 5 is 19. Next is we are multiplying t by 3, so to reverse it is to divide both sides by 3. 3t over 3, so 3 divide 3, 1. So we cross that out, and t is equal to 19 over 3, and you are welcome to leave your answer as a fraction if you can't get an integer. So you're so welcome. So this is the basic solution of linear equation using the balancing method. Hope you've enjoyed it. Share with your friends. Thank you very much.